Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today's quick tip is on organizing alcohol inks and pigment dyes. So as you can see here, I have a lot of alcohol inks, and at first I found it really hard to see all the colors that I wanted at a glance. So this is what I got at the dollar store. I found these really cool lipstick holders. So these are tiered, they're 4 rows as you can see, and they're kind of lifted up in the back in a step fashion, so that way your alcohol inks are actually lifted. And what I found is that these bottles are actually quite big, so they're bigger than most lipstick cases, so you need to make sure that you're looking for ones with a larger hole, so a larger space for your alcohol inks. And let's just do a quick measure. So these are about 32 centimeters and about 1¼ inch. So you will need it to be around this size in order for your regular piñatas or your Ranger inks to fit in the hole. So I have a bunch of these, and these are actually $1 each. Can you believe that? Really nice. And if you have Bria Reese or Trex inks, you'll know that they come in kind of larger rectangular bottles. And so I also got these from the dollar store. And so these are just little plastic trays, and they fit them perfectly. So I can fit 3 by 5 in here. So that's actually quite a lot. So these are 5 inches across, or about 12½ centimeters. And the last one here, this one's not from the dollar store. This one, I think it's an acrylic case for a lipstick. It was a little bit more expensive. I think it was around $8 or so at a local discount store. And these are for lipsticks. And these fit these smaller bottles perfectly. So I have these Sophie and Toffee bottles, the pearl pigments, and also their other types of pigments. These are smaller bottles and they fit the lipstick ones really well. So these smaller bottles fit in here. These big ones actually do not fit, so you can only fit just the cap inside. So if you get the standard lipstick ones, these will not fit. They'll only fit the smaller bottles. But what I like about these is that they're kind of tilted downwards, and so that you can kind of put them face down, and you can see the colors. So this way it makes it really easy to see the colors that you want. And I ran out of space, so I even used these little grooves up here to put more alcohol inks. And let's do some quick measurements. So these are about 27 millimeters, about 1 inch. So these will not fit the Ranger inks. Alright everyone, so I hope you found this tip useful. Let me know down below in the comment section what different ways do you use to organize your alcohol inks. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!